Alright, the stream again today. The dry rock dam. So I had an idea for future videos. And I didn't know if anyone would be interested in it or not. So it'd be nice if anyone would leave a comment what they thought of this idea. But my idea was to start hiding a little toy plastic cow or chicken or something, and just seeing whoever finds it first. But if anyone thinks that's a good idea, or if anyone has a better idea, because I know it's not that great of an idea, I'd love it if you'd let me know, because I'd like to get back up from 70 views again.